Yo, what's good, homies at home? It's your boy RC here. You're ready to get into this video by BT7274. I'm not sure what type of username that is on YouTube, but whatever. We're getting ready to get into a video called Calebcity Paint Noises Compilation 2. Now, I can't wait to get into it. Hopefully, y'all enjoy it as much as I do. Let's get into it right now. Already? Already? Come on now. I remember that one. That was the dentist video that he did. I reacted to that maybe over a year ago. And I remember that. That was hilarious. I loved reacting to that video.
My legs! My eyes! My toes! My organs! My feet! Both of my feet! Oh, again! Someone help! Wow!
This Calebcity video. When he be making these videos, I wonder what his neighbors think. Like, I would genuinely wonder what they think. Like, hey, it's not a Calebcity video unless there's excessive screaming and overacting. But it's hilarious to the point where you just love it. Anyway, let's get back to the video.
No, that's not true, man. Don't say that.
Why? I can't. After that, I can't. That's just hilarious. Hey, it's a Calebcity video. Of course it's gonna be hilarious. But hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Because I know I did. I'm still laughing. The video isn't even playing no more. But I enjoyed the video. Hopefully y'all did. Be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share, follow, do all that good stuff. Do what you gotta do. And until next time, much love. Stay cool, y'all. Peace.